The Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, is also ready to investigate anomalies in other infra projects such as buildings and bridges, as these pose great risk should Metro Manila experiences earthquake as strong as what was felt in Cebu. Our Harley Valbuena reports.
Anomalous and substandard infrastructure projects such as buildings and bridges will definitely collapse if Metro Manila is struck by earthquake as strong as the earthquake that hit Cebu 2 days ago. This is the warning of Filipino architect and urban planner June Palafox. According to Palafox, a study by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, reveals that an estimated 50,000 people might be killed should the so-called Big One hit, or an earthquake with a 7.2 magnitude or over. 12% of low-rise buildings and 3% of high-rise buildings are expected to collapse, and the damage from the quake is estimated to cost approximately 2.3 trillion pesos.
Corruption kills. Any structure, including itong mga flood control and drainage, infrastructure like buildings and bridges, anything that involves corruption, the buildings will collapse.
Palafox recommends the government to review the National Structural Code and conduct structural audits.
We really need to have a thorough review of the National Structural Code, the building codes, and so on. They are not adequate to address big earthquakes even magnitude 0.2. And then inspection, structural audit of all structures, especially the old ones.
To recall, Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro recently inspected the Philippine Film Heritage Building in Intramuros, and it was discovered to have poor structural design with substandard work put into its construction by one of the firms owned by the Discayas. Palafox meanwhile encouraged fellow architects and engineers to report to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. should they notice any irregularities in the projects they are working on, or by way of the Sumbong sa Pangulo website. He also called on the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, to also investigate anomalies in other infrastructure projects aside from flood control.
Kung meron man mga impormasyon na may ibibigay sa ICI with regard to other infrastructure programs or projects, then we will look into this.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.